Hi, my name is Ehren Allen. I'm a physical therapist here at the Jacksonville Orthopaedic Institute. Today, I'm excited to share with you the JOI Research Library. The JOI Research Library is full of articles and information about medical and orthopedic issues, as well as self-help tips and even some exercises you can try on your own. The best part is all of the articles and information was written by JOI Expert Clinicians. Let me show you how it works. So here's how it works. Go to the Jacksonville Orthopaedic Institute website. That's joionline.net. And at the top of the screen, you'll notice a search window. This search window is exclusively for the JOI Research Library. So say you want to learn about knee pain from a JOI clinician, simply type in knee pain. And you see multiple articles pop up about knee pain and topics related to the knee, written by JOI clinicians. Now let's go out of here and let's say you had shoulder surgery and you want to learn how to use your sling properly. Well, let's just look up shoulder sling. And here we see an article on proper sling use written by a JOI clinician. And there's also links to videos prepared by JOI clinicians on how to use your sling properly. Now there are hundreds of articles in the JOI Research Library to help you, and we hope you find it useful.